Hey, what's up everybody? Today I have with me the Ulanzi J12 wireless microphones. These microphones have some pretty neat features like a case that charges the microphones when they're not in use. And I'm actually not using them right now because I want you to see the difference between what just the regular audio from my phone sounds like versus the Ulanzi J12. As I mentioned earlier, this case actually charges the microphones while they're not in use, and then you can charge the case through this USB-C. The microphones sit in here, they are magnetic, so if you just throw them in there, they'll snap in. And then here is the transmitter. This is what actually connects to your phone, and this is the lightning version of it, which means this is for the iPhone. And I think it's really neat that it has this lightning port, so you can actually charge your phone while you're using these microphones, which I think is a real game changer. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and switch over so that we can hear what the Ulanzi J12 microphones sound like. Clip this right on my shirt here. Okay, so at this point, you're listening to what the Ulanzi J12 microphones sound like. These microphones are fully wireless. This is the lightning version, but they also have a USB-C version. For example, if you're going to be recording on an iPad or on another cellular device that's not Apple, they also have a version for that. These microphones actually have a couple different modes that you can use in. I think it has 3 levels of noise cancellation, which I think is really cool in case you are in a noisy environment and you still want to record a video while you're out there. I really do think that these microphones are really good and it's a good product. I've used them a couple times for some YouTube videos as well as some reviews. I like the fact that it comes with 2 of them, so in case I drain the battery on one, I can switch out and turn on the other one, and I can keep on going with no interruptions. If you are looking for a wireless microphone to level up your audio when recording with your phone, I do recommend the Ulanzi J12.